In this exercise, I am going to show you how to deactivate user and delete that account. So first thing is I am going to log into this admin account. I want to deactivate it. One user, I want to deactivate it. So I am clicking on this thing. Okay, I want to deactivate it. First thing, what if I wanted to deactivate user? I am clicking on this thing. So let me show you the status. The password is expired and more options is there and deactivate I'm doing here. Okay, and once deactivated, I want to delete the user. So if you want to delete the user, I selected the user and I can delete or activate it. So I want to delete that user permanently. I clicked on it. This operation cannot be done, cannot be undone. So once I delete it, I cannot delete, and applications, whatever it is been agent, it is going to be removed and all. So this is the way I have removed that deactivated user from the system. So now, so this is the way I have created. Now let me see that couple of exercises I will be seeing that. So suppose user creation errors you got it. Okay, you are trying to, a few minutes back I was trying to import the users. So how do you investigate it? I'll be showing you that in the next video.